Hi, so your bot is ready for deliver. So at first you need to download all the files and open the readme file. So you can see there is the website link to download the Python. So make sure to download Python 3, the latest version. And when you install Python at the first page, you will see at the installation page, you will see a checkbox uh, at the bottom that is called python.exe add python.exe to path. So make sure to check that, otherwise the program will not work. After installing it successfully, then just copy this files in a folder and make sure to unzip it. If the files are in a zip file, then it will not work. And then you just need to open a CMD in this folder. For that, easily you can just click on the blank space of the address bar and type here CMD and press enter. And now you just need to copy this link, this line, pip install our requirements.txt and paste here. So it will install all the requirements that are needed to run the bot. Then you need to run the bot. To run the bot, just simply type here Python and then the name of the bot. It's mustard.py. So it will start running. So at first it will ask that do you want to download videos or upload videos. So at first you need to download the videos to actually upload to YouTube. Maybe you can download a few hundreds of videos, then you can upload them with the bot. And this is your logo.png file, so make sure to replace this logo with your logo and keep the dimension of the logo something around mine. It's the 367 pixel into 401, so you can just make it 400 by 400 or something like that. And you need to put your musics here. Okay, so it will choose the random music from here and it will add it to the video, and it will download the videos in this folder, and then it will edit them, and your edited videos will be in this folder, in the videos folder. Okay, so at first we need to download the videos. So press select one and press enter. Now it will ask for the pixel video links. Actually pixels is a website of stock footages, so you need to choose that what videos you want. So just this is the right. This is the website links, pixels.com. So come to this website and search something that is familiar with you. So for now I'm just searching birds. Okay, birds. And you can just I usually upload vertical videos on my channel, so I am filtering only the vertical videos. Now just copy this link with HTTPS. Now just close the Chrome browser. Make sure to close all your Chrome browsers, otherwise it may not work perfectly. And sometime you will see that your Chrome browser is running in background. It will show here if you click on this here. So make sure to close that also, because sometime it makes problems. And also make sure to update your Chrome browser. The current version is I guess it's version 10 running. Yes, 110. So make sure to update. And now just paste your link here. Now press enter. So it will now open your Chrome browser, and it will attempt to download. Okay. After the website is fully loaded, it will ask you for the that how many videos you want to download. So for now I am just downloading 2 videos, but you can download actually as much as you want. Okay, maybe I have done a mistake. So make sure to select the videos, because there is a photos videos all at once. So make sure to select videos at first, and orientation portrait. Now copy the link. Sorry for the mistake. Let's run cmd here and type python master.py. Okay, so it will now ask that how many videos you want to download. So I'm selecting 2 for now. Now it will start downloading. It is downloading and also editing at the same time. Okay, there's some kind of error, but you can just ignore this. This just happened when the browser closed. So I am clearing this. Now here is the downloaded files. So it is the downloaded file, and okay, somehow it didn't go there. Okay, and here is the file of after editing. Okay, I have muted the video, otherwise you can't hear me. So this is the uploaded edited one. Okay, so here is music too, I guess, but I have just muted so that you can hear me. So these videos are made now. Let's try to upload. So for uploading, just run the bot again. Python master.py. So now we want to upload the videos. So let's just select 2, and it will ask that how after how many seconds you want to upload the next video, actually the gap between the videos. So typically you can just select it that what suits you. So just select 600 seconds for now. And one more thing, important thing, that it will use the last Chrome profile you have used. So just say if I use now this profile, let's just use this one. Okay, so I have used this profile, so it will use that profile to upload the videos. So just say that your account is logged in this profile, so it will upload there. If you select another profile, and if there is another channel, that is channel or YouTube account that is logged in, then it will upload there. So you can actually use this for multiple accounts. Now press enter, and it should start working. Okay, the video titles are set by default. I will show you that too, as I usually upload shorts videos. So the video title is default, but it will always set cute cats. But if you don't have any default setting, then it will just take the video title as uh, the video name as the video title. So whatever your video file name is, it will be the video title. So all the things that are that is happening is being done by the bot. Okay, so the video is uploaded. Let's check the bot. Okay, so it says that at this time one video is uploaded and it is going for a sleep for 600 seconds. So after 600 seconds it will upload the next video. So 600 seconds means 10 minutes. So it will just upload the next video after that time. So it's the video. Let me show you here. Okay, and I have deleted this one maybe. So this is it, and you can try the bot, and if you find any problem, just let me know. I will try to help you out.